Okay, check. Man, it's been a while since I've done this. Hey, what's up guys? My name's Hannah Lynn. I feel like I needed some like accessories, so I'm putting my hoops in. I hope you don't mind. Also, I thought that filming right now would be perfect because of the sunlight in my apartment, but obviously it's not the best because the sun's coming in right here. Today's video, I want to talk to you about my favorites from Amazon. Now I know that we try to stay away from Amazon shopping, especially when you're trying to shop more sustainably and more local, but here's some of my favorites that you can only find on Amazon. The first thing that I always buy from Amazon is this plain notebook. Now, I do a lot of journaling, and when I journal, I always buy one type of notebook, and this is it. This is the notebook that I will buy. I love it. If you can see, the pages are bullet, and I take notes during the morning show. That is my day job, more like early morning, weird hours job. And this is kind of what it looks like for me. I just kind of write down, you know, to-do lists. I also do a lot of prayer journaling, and I can also create my own calendar on there if that's something that you're into. I have a whole different thing for calendar use, and I can link that video right here because I absolutely love the Passion Planner. I can also link that down in the description as well. It's not an Amazon company at all. Actually, it's the exact opposite. So if you want a great planner, I would definitely recommend that. But I get my journal from Amazon. The next thing that I want you to be aware of is this awesome plant light. Now, I haven't really found the price and how convenient this one light is, and some of you might have like a whole thing for your plants where you have your plants like in a structure. I don't do that. I have it all on a shelf. It looks very pretty. It's right by my desk. I love it. But because of that, I need a separate light that goes along with my plant shelf. So that's what I have over there. I think it's amazing, and it's really, really useful, and that's how I'm able to keep the few plants that I have alive. Without that, they would probably die. So when I was traveling, I noticed that my shoes were getting kind of muddy, especially because we were hiking in Colorado. And so something that I found on Amazon that I really, really love is this shoe bag. Now, you put your shoes in it. So there's like this clear part so you know which part of the shoe it is. And let me check to see how much it costs. But it didn't cost me that much. I think it was about 10 bucks, but let me double check on Amazon. And this just keeps your clothes nice and separate, and especially when you go hiking, you don't want your hiking shoes to get all mixed in with your clothes. Like, seriously, it's the worst. So this is how much it costs. It cost, yeah, $11.99 for, like, it comes in a pack of quite a few. And as you can tell, the material is very loose and breathable, but it's just nice to have because you never know. I mean, if you have kids, like, and they have shoes and you put it and you're traveling, like, it's nice to just have it in a bag and separate from your clothes. So that's another thing that I've been really loving on Amazon. The other thing that I like love, and I actually saw this from another YouTuber that I follow, but it is the best fake beauty blender out there that you can find. And it costs $10, which, if you know anything about makeup, beauty blenders will cost you about $10 for one. But I found this on Amazon, and they are amazing. I know this one's not open, but I promise I've been using it. And it's $10, and you can get your mom one, your sister's one, because it comes in a pack of, ready for this? Literally 5. Like, what? So that's on Amazon. Love that. The next thing I want to show you is this mini keyboard. You're like, Hannah, you're so weird. I love all things miniature and I love gadgets, and that's why I like the random things that you can find on Amazon. I have a iPad that I use when I'm blogging and when I'm traveling. So instead of bringing my work laptop, which is the only laptop that I have right now, I bring my iPad, and I realize it's not that fun for me to blog on because I needed a typewriter. I needed a keyboard. Who am I? Like, oh, okay. And then I also really wanted like a little, I don't know what this is called, track pad. I think that's what it's called. And I realized that this one, it really does work with your iPad, and it's amazing. It's really, really inexpensive, so you don't have to buy the expensive one that comes with Apple products. This one is super easy to use. You hook it up with your Bluetooth, and then you use it, and it's about $25 on Amazon. So I'm gonna link those things down below, and I just want you to check it out because I love gadgets, and it's also foldable. So this is like a normal size iPhone, right? Look at that. Look how small it is. It's perfect for traveling. I am so about it, especially if you're editing photos. Like, I mean, you could probably use your little like pen thing, but if you're used to blogging and typing and using WordPress, like it's just easier, you know, to be using what you're used to, which is your laptop. It's literally a miniature laptop keyboard. Hopefully we don't go backwards in the world, but in case we do, who knows what's gonna happen this fall. In Chicago, we already put up a mask mandate. I don't know. And whether you are all into the vaccinations or wearing masks, here's the thing, it's all annoying. So whatever. For me, it's a part of life, and I'd rather just not deal with all the craziness, regardless of your opinions. But on Amazon, they have a packet of 4 of these masks, and they come in silk. But I've been wearing silk masks since the beginning of this pandemic because I don't like how my skin is broken out. That's a little beauty hack. We are back to wearing masks, so I went and bought silk masks again. Because I only had one for a while, and I'm like, I'm gonna get a whole nother pack if we're gonna be shutting down the city again like this. Who knows? Hoping, praying that nothing changes and that the city doesn't get shut down again. Yeah, moving on to the happier topic. This is another thing that I carry in my bag because my schedule is so not predictable. Like, I have no idea what I'm doing next, and I always feel like it's the most annoying thing when you go through the drive-thru and they don't give you silverware for that salad that you just bought, right? So that's why I have this in my purse at all times. It's lightweight. You've got a fork, you've got a spoon, whatever. I bought this at a spa downtown, but you can definitely get it on Amazon, and it's not that expensive. It comes in a little canvas, little roll up, and you put it in your bag, and there you go. You're never caught off guard. You could also save plastic. That's wonderful. Like, don't be doing that. Like, so I'm gonna link that too. Okay, if you follow me on Instagram, you will know that I have, or Facebook, but that you will know that I have a cat, and her name is Karen, and she's my best friend. I love her to death, and the only thing is she sheds a ton, and she rips up everything. Do you see this bag? This is my all-time favorite bag, and it's destroyed. Cat life, cat mom life. But besides my amazing vacuum that I have that's cordless, I also use this a lot. This is from Amazon as well, and you can get a pack. You can change it up, color. I also think that you should bring this for vacations and put it in your suitcase, as you can see. But it's like a lint roller, and it should get off all your lint. I'm doing it now. Bam, bam. Thank you, ma'am. Now, the other thing that I really need you to get, ladies, is this exercising top. It has a built-in bra, so if you get like weird about me talking about bras, you should probably just go to the next video. But I have been wearing this all summer, and it's very comfortable. It's breathable. It's a crop top, so you can wear it with your high-waisted pants. It makes you look great. Like, I'm like, oh, look at fantastic. But I will show you this top down below, and I also I bought the black one and the white one, but I've seen a lot of workout bloggers using this just to work out in. I'm not about that, but you can, and get like multiple different colors because it's a lot of fun. The last product that I want to tell you about is my foot massager, and this is why, because I work out on and off, and I love to run, and John and I walk a lot as well. And sometimes when you stand and sit, like when you're sitting all day in the office, like I feel like I carry a lot of stress too in my feet. And so this foot massager is actually amazing, and I'm so glad we bought it for the living room. We just have it right there. So that is the last product that I will recommend. It works fantastic. It has different modes, and so if you want your feet to be warmed along with being massaged, you can also put it on that. Actually, they had it at an Airbnb, which is super weird, and I saw that and I'm like, I could totally use one of those in my living room. Another great product that I've been buying is the LED lights that can go on the back of furniture, and I use it to light up my desk area. I love it because it gives mood, and it just makes the whole office look super dope. So I'm gonna also show you photos and video of that. There you have it. Those are my favorite products so far from Amazon 2021, and look out for more product reviews. This is just stuff that I genuinely love and I have laying around my house, and I just want you to know about, just in case you are thinking about, hey, I wonder if that plant light actually works. It does. It keeps plants alive. My plants' lives are dependent on that light. It's a real thing. So anyways, thanks for joining me. My name is Hannah Lynn. You can follow the blog by going to hannahlynnmiller.com, hannahlynnmiller.com. Sign up for my fashion newsletter. That's where I put all my favorite products, especially from Amazon. I list them out and I send them to you every week. I also am on Instagram, hannahLynn.miller, and on TikTok, so you can follow my content there as well. Well, thanks for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video.